All right, so notice that after putting this image in the background mover, the image to download is 342 times 728. So the suggested resolution is at least 512 by 512. And what really is good is 1024 by 1024. So obviously, if I put this in, something's gonna go wrong. Something might go wrong, even if I have a high resolution, because it's not like the best image. Like this woman does not have a mouth. So, but either way, I'm gonna download it, and then I'll go to this Let's Enhance page, which enhances the quality of the image, the resolution, and we'll see if it actually does so in a way where we could put it in that it's at least 512 by 512 if it can load. All right, so I'm gonna go and upload. And also the one that I just downloaded from the move back home. Alright, so I'll download this one, even though it has like the watermark, but I don't think that'll be a problem. So then I'll go back to the little code snippet and I'll just go into the choose file, which is somewhere down below. Oh no, it's above. Let's see. And then pick on this one. I'm pretty sure that was it, right? Yeah. And then it's just going to take its time and it's going to render the 3D model. And that's pretty much it. By the way, I haven't mentioned, but the actual link to the original source code, you can click on anytime I do a 3D model, and it should be the first link in the resources. So it's the paper, you scroll all the way down, you click on collab, and it'll take you to a Google Colab. You can just copy it to your drive, which is what I did. So this is my copy that I can run. All right, so at this point, this is the result. It's not perfect, but we can fix it up in Blender. I'm going to download the video, even though I don't really have to. It's just kind of just showing what it did, which is pretty cool. Did a pretty good job. And then let's see, now to get the OBJ file, which is what we need to upload this in Blender, you go on the folders, click on pifuhd, and then just wait for the results folder to show up. Keep on clicking until you get to the recon folder. And in there should be, if I extend it, okay, that's so long. Probably rename my files. There should be an OBJ file, but I can't really tell. Let me rename the file, call it, or I could just delete this stuff here. I'm just trying to see which one's the OBJ file. What did I just do? Oh, I can just copy and paste it up here to see. This one's the MP4. Let's see, copy path. This one's the OBJ. So the second one's the OBJ, so I'm just gonna click on it and then download, and then I'll wait for it to download. All right, and once it's downloaded, I'm gonna go and open up Blender, and I'm gonna click on General File. The cube should already be selected if it's like yellow, so the border is yellow. I'm gonna press X to delete it. And then I'll go top left corner, file, import, and I'll import wavefront OBJ. I'll go to downloads and I'll find, which one even is it? I don't, hold up. It was result DALLE 202. So which one's that? Result DALLE 202, so 2022. I think it's this one. Import, okay, no. And this is it. If I do right click shade smooth, it becomes smoother. Obviously, we can fix this up with sculpting mode. We can go and use a smooth brush. I have to find it. And just kind of go over like the details and use a smooth brush to smooth out some details here. Obviously, it's not perfect, but it gives you more creative freedom as to kind of what you want to do and how you want your characters to look like. You can use DALLE to generate the character, so it's not like a real human, right? And then it's just amazing because it's perfect for background. I mean, obviously, DALLE needs some work with the hands, but we can even delete that and do the hands ourselves if we want to, or we could even, in edit mode, we can select it and then delete whatever we want. But I think it's pretty good from this view. It just needs a little bit of work from this view here. But yeah, that's kind of it. So yeah. And honestly, I kind of want to do some more experiments and see if I can get, what if I just put the face? Like, would it actually focus on the face and have it be really detailed, or, or does it just get the overall experience? Anyway, I think it's pretty nice. Although it only has 1 foot, but it's okay. It's really nice. All right, bye.